Are you looking to improve your website's search visibility, traffic and conversions through SEO, but don't know where to start? It can be overwhelming, especially if you're unsure of what needs to be done. Our monthly managed SEO campaigns are bespoke and tailored to your specific needs. It's a scalable solution, and if you're an agency looking to resell this service, we can white label every aspect and support you in delivering exceptional results for your clients. We focus on 6 core elements for success. These include SEO strategy, keyword research, technical SEO, content development and strategy, content optimization, and link building. Within the campaign, there will be significant market and keyword research and important benchmarking to help you determine where you fit within your market, as well as vital technical SEO auditing to ensure your site is operating optimally and the continued measurement of your campaign and metrics throughout. You can also expect us to build high-quality, relevant links, optimize all your content, increase organic traffic, and provide dedicated account management throughout. Over the years, we've worked with hundreds of customers in over 40 different industries, creating successful campaigns by increasing their keyword rankings, website traffic, and conversions. But don't just take our word for it. Check out our client testimonials, case studies, and industry awards. To get started, all you need to do is book a free consultation call with our team at a time and date that works best for you. From there, they will determine your needs and get to know your business and industry. This call can help determine if this service is right for you and your business. Once you've placed your order, you'll be assigned your own account manager who will be with you every step of the way throughout the process. We conduct in-depth keyword research, competitor analysis, and assess your industry's landscape to develop a bespoke SEO campaign strategy. Every decision is backed up by data to boost your site's performance. This is a critical step to ensure exceptional results are achieved. Your website goes through an SEO technical audit process to identify where you may not be reaching your full SEO potential. Our detailed SEO audit process has been specifically tailored to consider Google's ranking factors, enabling us to increase both the quality and quantity of your website traffic. And this will include things like title tags, structured data, page speed, content optimization, site architecture, internal linking, crawl hygiene, and much more. We'll also check the quality of your backlink profile. This is because poor quality links can negatively impact your overall search visibility. Based on analysis, we will create an SEO audit documentation that will provide details of the fixes that need to be made to improve your site's performance, and also insights into the limitations, quick fixes, long-term solutions, and SEO gaps in your current strategy. Once you're happy with the proposed strategy, our SEO team will quickly get to work. During this time, you can sit back, relax, while we improve the search visibility, traffic, and conversions, while we're fully transparent with our reports. This way you can have a clear understanding of the impact and results you're getting. Your first report will be with you at the end of your first month. From there, you can access your reporting suite whenever you need. You'll receive monthly communication with your account manager to talk through the progress and the results you're getting. So you may be thinking, when will I see results? Well, an SEO campaign is a marathon, not a sprint. After 3 months, you'll start seeing movement on low-hanging keywords, and then after 6 months, you'll start to see more substantial results. SEO is a long-term investment, and once your business is on page 1 of Google for the target terms of the SEO campaign, you'll reap the rewards of a high ROI marketing campaign. This is a monthly flexible service where you pay for what you get. No contracts, and you're not tied into a service you don't need. If you own, manage, or have a business that you need to promote online, implementing SEO strategies and techniques are the best way to reach new customers. By outsourcing your SEO to our team of SEO experts, you'll get a sustainable increase in search visibility, traffic, and most importantly, new business, all without diverting resources from your core business. The online representation of your business is one of your greatest assets. So if you want to take the hassle out of SEO and see real results, our Managed SEO service is the perfect solution for you. Say goodbye to your SEO woes and hello to a cost-effective solution that will help your business grow.